High Court Judge Mungeni Mulenga, in her ruling, has quashed the decision of the Electoral Commission of Zambia to bar former Petauke Central Member of Parliament Dora Silia, former Malambo Member of Parliament Maxwell Mwale, and former Mulobezi Member of Parliament Hastings Sililo, stating that the electoral body acted illegally and unreasonably when it stopped the trio from filing their nominations. In her ruling, Judge Mulenga said there was no report from the High Court to the Electoral Commission of Zambia as required by the Electoral Act before stopping the three from contesting the by-elections. She therefore quashed the decision of the Director of Elections of disqualifying the trio from filing their respective nominations in the by-elections to be held in Petauke Central, Malambo and Mulobezi constituencies, and further issued an order to compel the electoral body to accept their nominations on the date to be appointed for filing nominations for the three parliamentary constituencies. Speaking to journalists after the judgment was delivered, United Party for National Development UPND Secretary General Winston Chiwe had this to say.
As the opposition leaders, we are so happy with the decision that has been made, and we hope that the Supreme Court will learn from this judgment that has been issued by a lower court, which is the High Court, lower than themselves, and that we should all be sincere with the judgment that we issue out.
And MMD Lusaka Province Chairman Watson Mutonga also added his voice following the judgment.
MPs were innocent. PF should not panic so much, because PF knows that they got power through democracy, and MMD has been a mother of democracy. What has happened today is the beginning of a big journey to State House, and MMD will make it.
One of the lawyers for the trio, Milna Katolo, said democracy has prevailed.
Democracy is thriving. We can believe in our judicial.
However, according to Judge Mulenga, this case has exposed a lacuna in our Electoral Act. She said the statutory provisions, as they stand, show that there is a lacuna in the law, as the legislature apparently did not address itself to the appeal process. She said good practice would appear to be that the legislation must specifically provide on how the report is to be submitted after the determination of the appeal by the Supreme Court, and strongly recommended to the concerned institutions that this issue must be effectively addressed as it was done in India and Tanzania, which had a similar lacuna. Ngenda Kamayoyo, Muvi TV News, Lusaka.